Please don't, because I got a warrant put on
For what?
Code 24 out of Judge Grijalva for failure to appear on felony level criminal damage to property over $1,000. Hold without bond.
You don't want none of this, are you sure?
An Arizona peace officer makes contact with a woman reported to be looking into parked vehicles. Within 90 seconds, the encounter transforms into the service of a confirmed no-bond felony bench warrant. Every major doctrine of arrest law is activated and tested in under 9 minutes. This is the breakdown.
Hello? Ma'am? Ma'am?
Yes?
Hi.
Hi.
How are you?
You?
What are you doing, Jess?
What are you doing?
Nothing. You looking through people's cars? No? Okay, because they called you in that you were looking through somebody's cars. No? Okay.
No, please don't run me.
Why not?
Please don't, because I got a warrant put on
For what?
Friday. For failure to appear. Please don't run me, Ray Ray.
22
Please.
Central. I'll have contact with Jasmine Soto. Hey, what's the warrant for?
You'll send one. Repeat the name.
Failure to appear?
Jasmine Soto.
Oh.
On what, Jess?
000-780.
Where at?
Like next door to my parents?
Oh, next to your parents' house?
Copy. And stand by.
Okay. Well, I still gotta run you, Jazz. I gotta do my job. You know what I mean? And it's for a failure to appear.
22. Do you have a date of birth? I have a possible code 24.
What's your date of birth, Jess?
Code 24 out of Judge Grijalva for failure to appear on felony level criminal damage to property over $1,000. Hold without bond.
10-4, stand by. Alright, Jess. So you know the drill. Because it is a felony level, I'll have to take you in on it. Okay?
Phase 1. The investigative stop. Under Terry v. Ohio, decided in 1968, an officer may briefly detain a person on reasonable, articulable suspicion that criminal activity is afoot. A citizen-generated tip describing a person looking into other people's vehicles satisfies that standard. The tip supplies specificity, the location supplies corroboration, the description supplies the match. Phase 2. The warrant-based custodial arrest. When dispatch confirms an active felony bench warrant, the legal posture of the encounter changes instantly. The Terry stop ripens into probable cause. Under Arizona Revised Statutes Section 13-3887, the officer must inform the subject of the warrant before or during the arrest, except where flight or resistance prevents it. He does. The underlying offense is governed by Arizona Revised Statutes Section 13-1602. Criminal damage of property valued between $1,000 and $2,000 is a Class 6 felony. The failure to appear on that felony itself constitutes a separate Class 5 felony under Section 13-3903. Two charges now travel together into the patrol vehicle.
I know. Don't reach into your pockets, okay? Don't reach into your pockets.
I'm taking out my fucking
Don't reach into your pockets.
Don't fucking get all huffy puffy with me.
Do you want to catch another charge?
Let go of my arm.
Do you want to catch another charge?
Let go of my arm. I wasn't resisting arrest or anything.
But you're reaching into your pockets
I'll
now.
let go. Let go.
Do me a favor, can I take your backpack off?
I'll take it off.
Okay, I'm gonna help you, okay?
No, you don't need to help me, Ray Ray.
Jess.
Ray.
You can catch another
Why are you
charge.
acting like a dick, dude?
I'm not, ma'am.
Let go of me now.
No.
Let go of me.
No, Jess.
Let go of me.
Are you gonna help me take your backpack
No,
off?
let go of me.
Take your backpack off, okay?
I am.
Okay.
Let go.
No.
Let go of me. I don't run or anything. You don't need to put fucking force on me.
I'm not putting force on you.
Yeah, you are.
Go ahead and place your hands around your back. Okay?
No, because I want to take all my stuff
No.
out of my pocket. Yes.
No, you're not gonna take your stuff out of your pocket.
Fuck you.
No. Force. Yeah, I know.
No.
Jazz, you got anything on? You gonna stick me, poke me, cut me? No?
I just said no.
Okay. Alright, let's go, Jazz. Anything on you that's gonna go to the jail, cause you another felony? No? Okay. Alright, Jess. So, I'm gonna have to search you, okay? Okay?
Okay.
Alright. You know what? Stay right there, okay? Jazz, get over here.
I'm just gonna stand
No,
right here
you're
in the
gonna
sun
stand right
because I'm
here.
fucking cold.
You're gonna stand right here now.
Don't be pulling
I'm
me,
asking
Ray
you
Ray.
to.
Okay, well let me go.
You're gonna stand right there or you're gonna catch another charge. You gonna take your rocks with you? No. Okay. All right, Joe. Do me a favor. Turn around, please.
Central 22, code 26.
Phase 3. The use of force. Graham versus Connor, the Supreme Court's 1989 decision, establishes that any use of force must be objectively reasonable from the perspective of a reasonable officer on the scene, judged without the benefit of hindsight. 3 factors govern the analysis. First, the severity of the underlying offense. A no-bond felony warrant. The severity factor is high. Second, the immediate threat to officer safety. The subject reaches toward her pockets after notification of custodial arrest. Pockets and waistbands are statistically the most common concealment locations for weapons. The threat factor is moderate to high. Third, active resistance. The subject pulls away from the officer's grip. That is active resistance at a low level. Applied together, these 3 factors authorize the lowest meaningful tier on the use of force continuum, which is soft empty hand control. No strikes, no taser, no firearm. The force used matches the law. Phase 4. The search incident to arrest. 2 cases govern. In Chimel versus California, decided in 1969. The Supreme Court held that the scope of a search incident to arrest is limited to the arrestee's person and the area within her immediate control. In United States versus Robinson, decided 4 years later in 1973, the court added a bright-line rule. Any lawful custodial arrest authorizes a full search of the arrestee's person, without any separate showing of probable cause. The subsequent inventory of personal effects is governed by Illinois versus Lafayette, 1983, which holds that booking inventories are reasonable under the Fourth Amendment. All 3 doctrines apply.
Code 26. Show me 1055.
15 minutes and 55 hours.
You don't want to take none of this stuff with you?
No, just
Okay.
E2, you're requesting a plate?
This too?
Yeah, just throw it.
Okay.
Affirmative. Yes, you can.
Your earring too? You don't want your earring or nothing?
Oh yeah, keep it.
Okay. You put your rosary up here too, okay? You don't want none of this, are you sure?
No, throw it.
Okay. I'm sure you want these, right? The watch and
Just keep
stuff?
that. That's in your hand. Nothing.
You got anything else in your pockets, Jess? Anything else, Jess?
Code 47 for an hour west.
Do you got anything? Do you got a jacket pocket on the inside?
No.
You mind if I take a look?
No.
Okay. Okay.
You don't have anything.
I know. I just gotta double check, Jess. Okay. All right, go ahead and hop in. All right, Jess. Come on this side, please. Over here. Come here, Jess. Good. All right, let me get one of these off you. Stand up. Let me see. Go and have a seat wherever you want. Let me just get the paperwork knocked out and I'll get you out of here.
A separate question. Did the safety inquiry, quote, anything on you that's going to stick me, poke me, cut me, require Miranda warnings? No. Under the public safety exception recognized in New York versus Quarles and the routine booking exception recognized in Pennsylvania versus Muniz, that question falls outside the rule of Miranda versus Arizona. No warning was required at that moment. The officer earns a grade of B. The constitutional fundamentals are sound. The deficiency is professional, not legal. The use of profanity directed at the subject is not unlawful, but it is not de-escalation. The subject earns a grade of C+. Profanity directed at an officer is protected speech under City of Houston versus Hill. Protected speech is not, however, a tactic. Reaching toward concealed areas is the most predictable trigger for use of force in any arrest. Her structural error came earlier. Failing to appear at the original court date manufactured this entire encounter. 3 lessons. First, when an officer says, do not reach for your pockets, do not reach for your pockets, regardless of your intent. Second, court dates compound. One missed appearance becomes a no bond hold. Third, for officers, every word spoken on a body camera is a future exhibit. Profanity costs nothing to omit, and it removes the easiest line of attack from any later civil claim. Let us know in the comments which interaction or legal topic you would like analyzed next. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content on police court interactions.